Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to have you here. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can prepare carrot soup for weight loss, especially for those who are looking at losing tummy fat, who are looking at losing weight or maintaining a healthy weight. This soup is actually going to be one that will be so helpful for you. And yes, I want you to click on the subscribe button if this is your first time of joining my channel, of watching my videos. I want you to click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you can get notifications of my video anytime I post a new video. So let's go into why carrot soup. Of course, I know in this part of the country we are not so used to carrot soup, but it's actually good for us to be versatile, because when you're looking at losing weight, when you're looking at eating healthy, you have to be open-minded and versatile to a lot of things that can actually help you. And this is why carrot soup is very good. Of course, I know that it's good to take carrots in it, roast it, that is best. But then for variety purpose, you can also make carrot soup once in a while. Why carrots? Carrot is actually high in fiber, and the fiber content is going to help you to it's going to help your digestion, it's going to help bowel movement, it's going to give you that feeling of fullness, so you don't have to, for a long time, you don't have to keep binging and snacking on junks and other things that will cause you to accumulate fats in your body. So I'm sure you're excited to know how to prepare this carrot soup. I'm going to be going into the preparation now. I want you to follow me, and if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment. Don't forget to share this. Don't forget to also click on the subscribe button so you keep getting notifications when I have a new video. Let's go. So all ingredients are prepared already for our carrot soup. This is carrots already diced. I have my pepper. This is garlic. This is ginger, and this is turmeric. You know, all these ingredients are actually very good when it comes to weight loss and even for the general health of your body. And this is black pepper. So I'm going to be using everything that you can see in this place. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to boil it in water for some minutes. You can see it's already on fire. I have put all the ingredients together. I'm going to leave it for like 10 minutes to get boiled and soften a little. Then we go on to the next stage. Right, so here you have it. It's boiled and I have sieved it. And so the next thing I'm going to be doing is to blend it with my blender to turn it into a puree. Let's go there. So right now we're going into the preparation of the soup. So I have my almond oil here, almond oil. This is the paste, the carrot paste that I've already mixed with other ingredients, with the ginger and the rest. Then this is my Maggi, this is my special spice, this is crayfish, and this is salt. And so I'm going to be using all of them together. So this is my almond oil. Don't need much, just a little almond oil. And then I don't allow the oil to get too hot. Pour in. Depending on how thick you want yours to be. You don't want it to be so thick. You can add in your chicken stock. Right now I don't have chicken stock or meat stock, so I'm going to add water. and leave it to cook for a little before I put in the other ingredients. So this is the outcome of the carrot soup. We are done. I put all the salt, maggi, crayfish, and my special spice in, and it cooked like a normal stew. And this is the outcome of my carrot soup. So if you are looking at losing weight, or you want to maintain your weight, or you just want to have variety of healthy food to cook in your home, this is your go-to. It's actually very delicious. You can take it with bread, with yam, with rice. I don't know about eba, amala and the rest, but with bread, with rice and potato and the rest, is actually very good. So I hope you get to do this, and you can do yours. Take a picture or a video and upload on your Instagram page and tag me. So my Instagram handle is in the information center. You can follow me there and then do yours and tag me to it. I would love to see your progress. And don't forget to subscribe. If you've not yet subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe now and hit the notification bell so you get to have notifications about my videos when I post them weekly. Thank you so much for watching, and go on to the next video because you are going to get good value there. See you.